Welcome back. This is Guitar Week 1. This is video 2. And so if you haven't watched video 1 yet, go back and do that one and practice it. And because we're going to just review those things and we're going to move on today. So let's go over what we went over in video 1. So the first thing we did is learn the string names. So we have 6 strings. We have E, A, D, and then G, B, E. Remember the sentence, Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. That's an important thing to know and to remember because we will continue to use all the strings and we'll need to know them by name. And we also need to know them so that we know where the rest of the notes are on the fretboard. We also talked about beats some, and we talked about how we divide everything into groups of 4 beats at a time. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so forth. We played a song where we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth, getting those nice even 1 beat notes in order there and keeping it a steady tempo with it. Today we're going to go on to our next song, Spanish Flair, and the whole song is actually on page 2 of our book. But we want to practice it a certain way, and so we're going to look at the first page where it says Spanish Flair practice. And in order to do this, we need to learn our first 3 notes on the guitar and what they look like on what we call the staff. The staff is the 5 lines there with the big squiggly thing at the beginning. That big squiggly thing is the treble clef. And what a clef does is it places the notes onto the staff in certain lines or spaces. If you look at it, see where it circles around right there? That is where it puts the G. So the second line from the bottom, that's the G line. And you can then figure out the rest of the notes. But you also have to know the musical alphabet. The musical alphabet is super easy. It's just like the English alphabet, but shorter. It's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then it repeats back to A. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so forth. And I could go all the way up and down several times doing just those 7 different notes, up and down. But we're going to learn 3 different notes today. And the first one, if you look at the very first note, is E. And so let's just kind of go over where these notes are, and then we'll talk about the rhythm. So the first note is E. It's the high E. So it's not your low string. It's going to be your high E string. Nice and open. You don't have to push anything down here. And you just go E. You try it. Okay. Now the next note we're going to play is F. See it? It's in measure 3 there, and it is on the top line of the staff. The top line goes right through the note head there. Now, how do you do this? Well, I want you to take your thumb, and I want you to put it on the back right above the 2nd fret. Every section you have on the guitar is a fret, and you're going to put your thumb right there. Okay, not all the way over, not way far behind, just right at the top. Still sitting up straight. You're going to take your first finger. We number our fingers 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then you're going to take your first finger, and with a nice curved finger, you're just going to set it right there in the 1st fret on the 1st string, and you're going to push down. What this does is it causes the string to basically get shorter because the sound stops right now at the wire that's going on your fretboard right here. And so if you play the F, it sounds like this. Okay. Can you try that? So hold your guitar correctly. Palm up, curved finger, thumb on the back. Get the F. Now we're going to do one more note today too. We're going to play G. And that one is sitting on top of the staff in the space above the staff. So play the F, and then also you're going to take your 3rd finger, your ring finger, and you're going to put it in the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. And you can, if you're having trouble reaching, you can get it closer there. If you can get it all the way up to the end of the fret, that'd be great. And this one sounds like this. Okay? So those are our first 3 notes. So try it together. Let's just play it together. We'll play E, F, G. Okay, we'll hold them each for 1 measure. Try that with me. Ready, go. E, 2, 3, 4. Now F, F, 2, 3, 4. And G, G, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So now you know where our notes are, and you've seen them on the staff. Let's also talk about the rhythm. Last week we did whole notes, which last for the whole measure. They last for 4 counts. We also did quarter notes that last for one count. Today we're going to add one more type of note. We're going to add ones that last for two counts. And so if those are the first two notes of the song. And when we're playing it, if we're counting along 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I held them out? To play them, it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how I just played the note twice, even though the beat kept going? Okay, now sometimes I'm also going to get where it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And I get, they're called quarter notes, and then a half note. So I have my whole note, which lasts for 4, quarter notes, because that's a quarter of the measure, and then half notes, because it lasts for half the measure. And so let's try this first. We're going to clap it, actually. And so we're going to go half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Try that with me. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Okay? Try that one more time with me. Take your eyes, put them on your music, because this is the first two measures of the music, and you can follow along rhythmically with what we're doing. So half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. One more time. Practice is something we do over and over again so that we learn things well and do it the best that we can. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Okay. All right. Now, we actually do that a couple more times. We do it one more time, and then we're done with practice number 1 there, that first line under Spanish Flair practice. So let's try to clap the rhythm of Spanish Flair practice number 1. So all 4 measures. Here we go. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half, 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 quarter, quarter, half. Okay, good. Let's try that one more time. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half, 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 quarter, quarter, half. Great. Now you're saying, I did not sign up to play the hands. I signed up to play the guitar. So let's play guitar on this one. So you're going to pluck your E string. Let's try it just half, half, quarter, quarter, half. All on the E string. Want to hear it first? Here it goes. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Those are the first 2 measures. Try with me now. Open E. No fingers push down. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Are you getting the rhythm with me? Make sure you're getting the correct note and the correct rhythm. Try it one more time. Just those 2 measures. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Good. Now the next 2 measures, we have the F. So make sure your thumb's in the right place, palm is facing up, and you have a nice curved finger on that first note there, F. Let's try it on F. Same rhythm. Ready, go. F, half, quarter, quarter, half. One more time. Ready, go. Half, half, quarter, quarter, half. Now, let's try the whole line. Now, this one you have to change notes halfway through. So you're going to play E, 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 and F, 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 F. You ready? Stay with me on this one. Ready, go. E, 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 F, 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 F. Okay, shall we try that one more time? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. E, 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 and F, 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 F. Great. Okay, your job right now is to pause the video and to practice that 3 more times so that you get the correct notes in there as well as the correct rhythm. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video and practice 3 times. Okay, let's go on to Spanish for practice number 2. This one, we have to change notes as well as rhythm. I throw in a couple of new things so that with your eyes, you're paying attention to what's on the music and so that you can see where it changes and so you're not just in autopilot with this one. We want to make sure that we're using our brains on this one. So what's the first note? Well, it's E. It's on that top space of the staff there. Also, if you notice right above it, I have a little 0 or a little O. And that indicates that the string is open. Okay, so you're not going to push any strings. So it goes E, another E, because it's on the same space, and then it jumps up to the G. Now, above that G, it has a number 3. That's because it's 3rd fret, and it also stands for 3rd finger in this case too. So we're gonna play that G. Now, when you play the G, and you're going from the E, try to put down both fingers when you play the G. So you're going E, E, G, G, G. Okay, and so that way you can get a good sense of holding it down, and it also makes it a little easier because our ring fingers are not our strongest finger either. So here we go. Try just those 2 measures. Play E, E, and then G, G, G. Let's see if we can get the correct notes as well as the correct rhythm. We'll do this a couple times. Ready? Ready, go. E, E, and G, G, G. One more time. 1, 2, here we go. E, E, and G, G, G. Okay, so practice that a couple times now, and then we'll go on to the last 2 measures. The last 2 measures, it goes F. You see the 1 above the F stands for 1st fret. Okay, just like we were doing before. And then we end on E. That's right. That's why I have the open fingering above that. So let's try just the last 2 measures. So F, 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 E. Here we go. Ready, go. F, 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 E. One more time. Start on the F. Ready, go. F, 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 E. Okay, good. All right. Now, let's try line number 2, Spanish Flair practice number 2 all together now, from all 4 measures from the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. E, E, upwards to G, 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 F, 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 E. Okay, keep going. One more time, same thing. Ready, go. E, E, G, 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 F, 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 E. Okay, good. All right. And so hopefully you're getting that by now. And what you're going to do now, you're going to keep going, practicing line 1 and line 2 many, many times until you feel like you can just get it. You get the correct notes. You get the correct rhythm as well as a steady tempo. One of the keys to getting the correct rhythm, which is a big part of it right now, is to count like I'm counting right now. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's try them together. You can jump to this section of the video later on, and so you can keep practicing the practice lines. Let's do it together. I'll count out loud. You try to count with me as well as play. Hand in position. Right hand ready to pluck the E string. This is number 1. Eyes in the music. Ready, go. E, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was line number 1. Don't go on yet. Let's do it 2 more times. Start again. Ready, go. E, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Start again. When we practice, we want to repeat things many, many times, doing it correctly, because that's the way we're going to learn how to do it correctly in the end. One more time. Ready? Ready, go. E, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's go on to line 2. So this one we have the E, G, F, E. All right. Eyes in the music. Hand ready on the open E. 1, 2, ready, go. E, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you, on the whole note, you hold it out all the way, and you don't just stop the string like that. Let it ring. We like the strings to ring a little bit. It makes it sound pretty. One more time. Ready? Ready, go. E, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Ready, go. E2, 3, 4, G2, 3, 4, F2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So go ahead and practice that a few more times, and so that you're getting the correct notes, the correct rhythm, and you're keeping a steady tempo, the speed of how fast the beats go. And I'll see you on the next video.